Sorry folks, but the windshield wipers have got to stay on in order for this video to work right. Cloud to cloud. There's been some beautiful cloud to ground lightning from the storm that like that. I don't know if you saw it. I'll have to look at the playback, but that was pretty. It's a very electrical storm. There's more lightning than there is rain. I'm parked in a very open spot. I'm in between a couple of light posts, but oh well. I don't know if the camera caught that one or not. That was another cloud to ground. I'm not getting out of the truck. I ain't that damn dumb. Cloud to cloud. Yeah. Looks like I ain't got no choice. I'm gonna have to get out of the truck. Damn, it's cold. I hope my camera does not bottom out. Truck. Camera's getting too wet. Sorry about that. Push the wipers up a little bit so we can see. Couple of good ones, but whoa, like that one. That was pretty cool. I know the camera got that one. Those lights at the bottom of the screen, those little blinking lights, are actually the lights for Vulcan chemicals. And those are the only points of reference you get in this video while I'm inside the truck. That was a good one. It can be loud. Not as dumb as I look. Like I said earlier, very electrical storm. That was bright. There's actually not a whole lot of rain out of this storm. It's mostly the lightning is what I'm seeing. Yeah, there's a little bit of rain, but it's not what people would associate with a heavy storm. Basically what it is just gentle summer rain. The lightning, however, is a bit heavy for this type of storm. I'm actually not really used to seeing this kind of lightning from a storm like this. Not surprised though. The temperature before this storm started was about, well, before the sun went down it was close to 100. Well, now that the storm's gone, I'd say it's gone down about 10 degrees, but that was over the course of about 4 hours, so no drastic drop, which is good. Not to mention, while I was watching this on the radar before I came out and started filming this video, I quite literally watched this storm fall apart. So this not a severe storm, but the lightning says otherwise, because usually you see this kind of lightning out of a severe storm. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. It just depends on the storm. Yeah, it's not a half bad storm. It gives us rain, which we needed for the past few weeks. Cloud to cloud, from what I've seen. Before this storm and the storm yesterday that dumped about 3 inches of rain in Wichita, we're in Kansas. Before it dumped about three inches of rain in like 1 hour, just right in a localized area. Before this storm and that storm, they had actually started considering a burn ban. No cigarettes being flicked onto the grass, don't burn the crops, you know, stuff like that. Cloud to cloud from what I've seen. But now that the rain's here, I doubt that'll happen. Although you never know, because as it is said in Kansas, wait 5 minutes, the weather will change if you don't like it. It also holds true that it's either all at once or none at all, so this will probably be either the last or next to last storm for another week or two, if we're not lucky. We might get some more rain, I don't know. But, from what I know about storms, which is not much, believe me, I may sound like a professional, but I'm not yet. This kind of lightning is, like I said, usually associated with slightly stronger storms. It's actually starting to let up a little bit now. It's actually not been a half bad show. According to my brother, who knows virtually nothing about storms, he's seen 3 bolts of cloud-to-ground lightning right in my neighborhood. I highly doubt that. It was probably... Whoa. Sorry you missed that. That was nice. It was a double bolt of lightning, cloud to ground. Sort of fork. That was the thunder that came from it. The rain's actually starting to let up a little bit now, too. This whole system right here that you're watching is actually moving off due east at about 30 miles an hour. It's not moving quick, but it's dying so fast that it's going to be out of Wichita and Hayesville, where I live, within 20-30 minutes at the least. This storm has proved to be quite electrical and pretty interesting, to tell you the truth. I was actually hoping for a bit more of a show, but this is my first actual chance to actually get out, film a storm on my own, so that's pretty cool. You can bet I wouldn't sound this calm if it was a tornado, I'll tell you that much right now. As much as I'd like to see a tornado, I don't think I ever will. Survive 2 of them. I ain't about to go out and kill myself, but I will watch them from a safe distance. I'm stupid, but I'm not totally stupid. I'm not insane. I'm crazy. Well, that's about all the time I've got. Thank you for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Wow. That was interesting. You'll see more of my videos on this on my YouTube site, which is where this one is posted. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of a weather lesson, if you could call it that, from a freelance first-time storm chaser who's fairly new to meteorology. Have fun. Hope you get better weather.